Yep, when it comes to the types of fertilizer I use in my container gardening process, it's purely organic. As you can see, this is fish remains, which I normally pound into powder and apply the powder to the crops, or I brew it for about a week, and then I collect the liquid fertilizer, which I will have to apply to the crops. So as you can see, it's basically fish remains, the bones, whatever is left over of a fish that is not used during cooking in the kitchen. So this is one of the items I use to prepare my fertilizer for my container crops. Yeah, so this is the brewed liquid fertilizer from the fish remains, purely sieved. As you can see, this is what I'll have to apply to the crops. Another one is I brew the green manure, leftovers of peels in the kitchen. As you can see now, this is a beans pod which I'm collecting. I will have to add water to this and then leave it for about a week to brew, and I will collect the liquid from it, which I will have to apply to the crops. As you can see now, the water has been added, so this will be left for about a week, and then I will collect the liquid which I will apply to the crops. This is voucher also undergoing a brewing process, and the liquid fertilizer will later be collected to be applied to the crops. Of course, the powdered voucher also is effective, but I just want to see how best the liquid can perform. So far, these are the items I use as fertilizer in my container gardening, purely organic, yes, environmentally friendly, no chemical fertilizers, no planting process, marking the planting points for green a locally grown crop in Sierra Leone. As you can see, the green seedlings will be transplanted into this box container in which they will have to grow, and then I'll have to see how best they can perform in this box compared to how they do perform when they were planted and the bare soil on the ground. So this is it, planting them one after the other, properly spacing it. One advantage of this process is the crop is not that too choked up as when you use the broadcast process. Yes, the broadcast process, you can find out that the green crops will not be too spacious, or there will not be enough space for the crops. So there's normally a growing problem, but when you take your time and transplant them, you properly space them, and from my experience on the ground, it performs so well. So I want to try it also in this box and see what will be the results. Yeah, so this is it, and planting has just been finished. As you can see, the seedlings, this is where they will have to grow and then be harvested. Yeah, my very first tomato crop I planted now is ripening. As you can see, that one fruit and the other fruits also are going towards ripening. Yep, one. So this tells you container gardening is of an effective. It's effective anyway. My just harvested tomato fruit. Yeah. Now to the cucumber. As you can see, it's flowering, also setting fruit. That's a very young cucumber fruit out there. Very soon I'll be harvesting this one. Yeah, this is a 1 week old watermelon. Yep, 1 week old. This is another one. It's also 1 week old, coming up very healthy. Yeah, the disappointing part of this whole container gardening process is I have started experiencing pests. This watermelon fruit was just disturbed by pests. Of course, there's another one developing out here, which is okay, it's intact, has no pest infection yet. Hope it will not. I have a task of applying my APM principles now to observe, identify, and apply my control measures for whatever pest is disturbing this watermelon. So this is a male flower on the watermelon. It has a male and a female flower. The male flower has no fruits, and the female flower is what you can see having the fruit attached on the wreath. This is a pest I collected from the watermelon that disturbs the leaf. I don't know if this is the same pest that is disturbing the fruit, but I haven't seen it on the fruit yet. So I'm observing, still applying my IPM principles to identify.